Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, April 20th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets rallied sharply, with the Dow Jones surging approximately 1.8%, the S&P 500 gaining approximately 1.2%, and the Nasdaq climbing approximately 1.5%, as all major indices hit fresh record highs. The rally was driven by a sharp drop in crude oil prices after the Strait of Hormuz reopened, easing supply concerns and boosting investor sentiment, alongside continued optimism around Middle East peace progress. Asian markets opened mixed with a cautious positive bias, with Japan's Nikkei gaining around 1%, while South Korea's Kospi and other regional indices traded largely rangebound, with mild gains and losses. Strong U.S. cues support sentiment, but oil volatility and geopolitical uncertainty keep markets cautious. GIF Nifty futures, as of 8 a.m., was trading at 24,471, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices have surged sharply as renewed tensions around the Strait of Hormuz and fresh geopolitical developments over the weekend reignited supply concerns, bringing volatility back to energy markets. Gold prices are trading slightly higher, supported by safe haven demand amid rising geopolitical uncertainty, although gains remain capped by strong equity market momentum. HDFC Bank reported a steady Q4, with net profit rising over 9% and strong growth in net interest income and operating profit. Asset quality improved with lower provisions, while the bank also announced a 13 rupee dividend and plans to raise up to 60,000 crore rupees via debt. ICICI Bank delivered a strong performance, with profit up around 8.5% and a sharp decline in provisions, reflecting improving asset quality. The bank also declared a 12 rupee interim dividend and renewed its 25,000 crore rupee fundraising plan through debt. G Infra has set up a new wholly owned subsidiary to execute a 1,582 crore rupee highway project in Odisha, awarded by NHAI. The project involves building a 6-lane access-controlled ring road under the hybrid annuity model, strengthening its infrastructure pipeline. Given the flat to positive opening expected for Nifty today, following mostly mixed to positive cues from the Asian markets, slight gains may be seen at open. However, closure of the Strait of Hormuz, once again by Iran, will affect crude oil prices, which in turn will cap upside for Nifty. Rangebound trading can be expected with supports being at 24,180, followed by 23,910, while resistances will be at 24,430, followed by 24,660. Rebound in crude oil prices amid renewed Middle East tensions, fragile geopolitical situation despite recent ceasefire, elevated valuations after the recent rally, persistent FII outflows, inflation risks linked to energy prices, and global uncertainty, despite record highs in U.S. markets could keep volatility elevated. Strong momentum in U.S. markets with record highs and sharp weekly gains, easing inflation expectations, earnings season momentum, stable domestic macros, and continued DII support are likely to support sentiment. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 683 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 4,721 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 20th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.